Good morning, student. I am Professor Smita Shirsat. Today I have brought you new topic for you. Hmm. Kinds of sentences. If you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Actually, sentence is a group of words. That means meaningful group of words is called sentences. Every time sentence has no similar structure, and by their structure, by their meaning, there are kinds and types of sentences. Today we are going to learn sentences according to their meaning. By meaning, there are four types of sentences: declarative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and interrogative sentence. Okay. Next, what is declarative sentence? Declarative sentence. The sentence itself, that means title itself, says that the one which declares something, which shows fact, that's called declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement. It is punctuated by period, that is full stop. For example, the dog in neighbor's ad is barking. He is boy. The earth moves around the universe. Okay? The sky is blue. You are working hard. All these are declarative sentence. Then what is imperative sentence? An imperative sentence is command or polite request. That means the sentence which expresses order, request, suggestion, advice, begging, instruction, warning, threatening. That sentence is called imperative sentence. Okay, it ends in a period, that means full stop. Okay, and it starts with the main verb, or negative imperative sentence starts with don't. Close the door. Please be quiet. Don't go there. Don't do this again. Come on. Go there. Help me. Please give me glass of water. These are imperative sentence. Then exclamatory sentence. Exclaim, that means address. Okay, an exclamatory sentence expresses great emotion or excitement. That means the sentence which expresses emotions of love, anger, joy, hatred, okay, sorrow, etc. It's called exclamatory sentence. It ends in exclamation mark. For example, house is on fire. How beautiful you are looking today. What a hard-working boy he is. Oh, he is strong now. Alas, it happens so bad. Hooray, we have won the match. How clever she is. What a beautiful girl you are. Aha, you look gorgeous today. Hooray, we have won the World Cup. Okay, all these sentences are exclamatory sentence. That means exclamatory sentence include how or what sentence, or the sentence with exclamations. Okay, and it ends with exclamation mark also. Then next one is interrogative sentence. What to say about interrogative sentence? Interrogation, that means ask something. That means Interrogation sentence ask a question and it ends with question mark. For example, is it raining? Actually, there are three to four types of interrogative sentences. That means questions. There's WH question, which begins with WH word. What, where, when, who, which. For example, what's your name? Who are you? Why are you so angry? When did you wake up today? Where do you live? These sentences are called WH question. Then there's verbal question or is no type question. Verbal question. Verbal question which starts with helping verb, that is auxiliary. Okay, and which answer is yes or no. Hence it is called yes no type question. For example, am I right? Is this true? Was he at home? Okay, that means we can answer this question yes or no. Then there's tag type question. That means if we want to tell something effectively with emphasis, that time this sentence is used. Okay, I am right, aren't I? This is wrong, isn't this? He was not at home, was he? These sentences are called interrogative sentence. And also there's rhetorical question. Rhetorical question, that means the question in which answer is implied in itself. For example, don't I have an identity? Aren't I true? Isn't this lie? These are rhetorical questions which are used in poems, poetic stanza by particular poets. Okay. Now here you have to mention if sentence is declarative, imperative, or exclamatory or interrogative. First sentence is here, have you made a decision yet? Actually, this sentence ends with a question mark, hence it is imperative sentence. Next, the girl in white jacket is lost. The sentence ends with full stop. Okay, and also it begins with door of an action, hence it is declarative sentence. The Bulldogs won the game in the last 3 minutes. Okay, this sentence ends with exclamation, hence this is exclamatory sentence. Give me a piece of pizza. This sentence ends with full stop, but it has been started with the verb, hence it is imperative sentence. Next one, I did not finish my homework. This sentence has also ended with full stop and begin with the subject I, hence this is declarative sentence. Where is my science book? This sentence has been ended with question mark and start with WH word. This is WH question, that means interrogative sentence. Please come with me to the movies. Sentence has been start with please, hence this is imperative sentence. Then I made a perfect score on this test. Exclamatory sentence. Why is John late for our date? Interrogative sentence. And open your locker immediately. This is imperative sentence. By using four types of sentence in your writing, you can make your paragraphs more interesting. My favorite types of fast food is pizza. I could eat pizza in the morning, noon or night. Paper Pepperoni is my number one choice. I also like double cheese on top. I wish I could order pizza right now. Okay. Boring, right? Let us see how we can use four types of sentence and make it more interesting. What is your favorite type of fast food? This is interrogative sentence. My favorite is pizza. I just love pepperoni and double cheese. This is declarative sentence. Sometimes I think I could eat pizza morning, noon, night. This is exclamatory sentence. All of these talk about pizza is making me hungry. Declarative sentence. Let's order a pizza now. Imperative sentence. Okay. I think now you got more thing about type of sentence. Here once of the paragraph is given which includes all types of sentence. You should also practice the sentences with their types. Okay. Thank you.